I am getting so excited, y'all. When I get away from 200 pounds, your girl is definitely celebrating. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. All right, babes, I am on my normal walk that I do. It's been a minute since I've actually worked out, y'all. It's been about 3 freaking weeks, okay? And I'm back at it. Y'all, I've lost some pounds. I've lost about 20 pounds. I'm just say that, y'all, this is my 3-month update review. If you haven't checked out my last video, please check it out because I explained my meals and how the shot was actually going for me and how everything was actually working out. But this time, let me tell y'all, okay, I've lost about 20 pounds, y'all. Right now, this time, y'all, I am about 202 pounds last time that I went to the clinic, the spa, the med spa, whatever you want to call it. And I am getting so excited, y'all. When I get away from 200 pounds, your girl is definitely celebrating with some wine. I'm showing out. And y'all, I gotta tell y'all about my eating patterns and everything like that, y'all. Like, I haven't worked out in about 3 weeks because family was also down here, and then plus the holidays, y'all, and then this temporary job that I'm working. It is just a lot to deal with, but your girl is back at it. I've been working out on the treadmill for this past week for like 3 days, and y'all know I normally do my walk outside, y'all. Hold on. Y'all know I normally do my walk outside. It is beautiful. It is so sunny outside, y'all. I am really enjoying it. It's been a minute since I've actually worked out outside. And y'all, let me tell y'all my eating patterns. I'm probably everywhere with this video, but let me tell y'all, my eating patterns have not been so good, y'all. I've tried to eat, chicken, and y'all, I've ate like some strips from Wendy's, the tenders that they came out with, and y'all, it was a hot mess. I actually caught a big headache. And it did not go so well. But I am still so-called vegan. But I know, chicken and steak is nothing wrong with that type of food. But I've definitely been still doing my salmon. Like, I'm about to have salmon right after this, y'all. This is really, like I said, my update video. I'm doing my 15 minutes forward and then my 15 minutes back, y'all. I've been feeling good after working out and getting that burn again, because the more that I work out, the more pounds that I lose, you know what I'm saying, with the shot. But the shot has been good, y'all. Let me update. My arm is getting tired, but anyways, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm ratchet, but yeah, don't mind me. Your girl was cute for Christmas. I had a blessed Christmas. I hope you babes had a blessed Christmas as well. Like I said, I will be having more vlogs coming out. This is my updated video vlog. If you know, you know. Make sure you press that like button and show your girl some love. Comment if you want to. If you have any questions, of course. Oh, my nose, y'all. Sorry, my arm getting tired, but dang. The shot, like I was saying, the shot that I am on is the 0.5. I went up to a 0.5, y'all, so I went higher. I think I may go higher a little bit. I feel like my appetite is somewhat trying to expand and get a little bigger, because I find myself eating one meal sometimes and I'm like, I'm hungry again, or I would try to snack again sometimes. And I've definitely, y'all, I'm gonna just update y'all for real. I've definitely been eating past 7 o'clock. I'm not supposed to be doing that, but I am. And I've been eating everywhere ever since I've been working. It's just no eating, stopping schedule like I supposed to, y'all. But I'm still so glad that I'm losing pounds in the process because it's needed. So yeah, that's really what's going on in the update right now. I've been feeling just fine on the shot, actually. And then on top of that, y'all, make sure you still drink your water. at least a half a gallon a day because you will be constipated. I actually found myself, hold on y'all. I actually found myself trying to get constipated upon last night. I had too much wine and, juice. I wasn't drinking enough water, and I had a surprise there, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you stay up with your water and make sure you're drinking your water because it's very important. But I will show the food that I've been eating and plates that I've been putting together, and hope you babes are catching up with this, understanding what I'm saying, and hope I'm not, talking too fast, y'all. But the sun, I should put on sunscreen. Like, the sun is really just like beaming out here. But it is really, really beautiful, okay? Like, I'm enjoying it. It's like, it don't even feel like it's winter, honestly. Like, this is crazy. Like, I enjoy the winter, and this is what it's like in Texas. Look at these ducks. Babes, I almost forgot to mention that I did get my blood work done. They're supposed to do your blood work 3 weeks or 6 weeks, I believe, into the semaglutide, and she got my blood work and stuff. I haven't got the results back, and I was supposed to ask last time I went, but I was so busy, y'all. I totally forgot. Whew. Excuse me, y'all. This is my rest minute right now before I do my walk back. But I really just want to focus when I do my walk back. So, and that's exactly what I gotta say, y'all. Excuse me. But, and also, I had to get yeast infection medicine because I was having, problems while I was on a semaglutide shot. If you heard me, speaking about that, I was talking about how I was just so uncomfortable, applying myself on that shot, and they prescribed me some medicine that actually worked and helped me out, and I'm feeling so much better, to say now. But the med spa, y'all, I'm warning y'all now, the med spa is totally expensive. To get checked in the clinic is about 150 something, I believe, y'all, or more than that, because I had to pay, I cannot remember, y'all. It's 100 and something. I can't remember exactly. But be prepared for that. If you are getting your semaglutide shot at the, med spa, it is mad expensive. But she didn't even charge me for my blood work and testing because she said she enjoyed me and was thankful that I gave positive reviews because I do love that med spa. They are so supportive and very helpful and thankful. I do appreciate them so much. So yeah, that's totally what I forgot to mention, but that's the update, y'all, okay? But anyways, y'all, I really hope you babes appreciated this vlog, and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will be coming up with more updates and letting you babes know what the heck is going on with me and this semaglutide injection, okay? Mwah!